It's already wanted.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook and Great Inlet, New Jersey, out to 20 nautical miles. The Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey, and Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 to 40 nautical miles, including Atlantic City Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Barnegat Light Reef, Beach Haven, Brigantine, Fort Trevor, Garden State North Reef, Garden State South Reef, Great Egg Reef, Harvey Cedars, Lavalette, Little Egg Inlet, Little Egg Reef, Manasquan Inlet, North Beach Haven, Ocean Gate, Seagirt Reef, Seaside Park and Ship Bottom, until 7 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots, or greater 8 nautical miles northwest of Little Egg Inlet, moving east at 15 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles at 5:40 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland and southern New Jersey. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles.